There's no end to this observing and visualizing exercise. The stronger the image becomes, the more you can do it. You'll find that you'll need less time for looking and more time for visualizing. Initially at the beginning, only look for a few moments. Looking at the counters for hours on end is not going to help. Those of you who are listening to this workshop online must understand this. There is not much point in spending hours and hours and hours looking at the counters. Look for a few moments, then close your eyes, look inside. Look without for a few moments, then look within. You will know when your image is strong, because whenever you think of it, it will appear without any need for you to stress or to squeeze your brain cells or to furrow your brow. It will come instantly. When that moment arrives, that eureka moment, you will know it.